Hello there. It is I, your furry and adorable friend Grover. Welcome to Mindful Monsters. I am so glad you are here. Being a mindful monster means paying close attention to how you feel and what is going on around you. Let us start by taking a deep breath. Ready? Now, let us listen in with my good friend Abby to learn all about bubble breathing.
Hey, it's me, Abby. One way I like to take mindful moments is by taking bubble breaths. Taking bubble breaths help me feel calm and can help me figure out what I want to do next. Let's take some bubble breaths together. All you have to do is imagine there's a giant bubble in your belly. Put your hands on your belly like you're holding the bubble. Can you imagine it? Okay, as you breathe in, the bubble slowly gets bigger and bigger. Now as you breathe out, it slowly gets smaller and smaller. Let's do it a few more times together. Ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. What a big bubble! Now breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Small bubble. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Big bubble. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Small bubble. One more time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Big bubble. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Small bubble. Whoa! Nice bubble breathing. Remember, you can always use bubble breathing to have a relaxing, mindful moment.
Well, that was nice. Thank you for stopping by Mindful Monsters and taking a mindful moment with us today. Let us take one more deep breath together, okay? Bye.